start selling online images in less than 10 minutes. Who doesn't like customized clothes, mugs, stickers, and so on? Everyone loves feeling special and unique. This is why people love buying customized items that are not in every house. And this is why this business goes so well. This is the exact aim of customized items businesses. The secret is you can do this for free in less than 10 minutes. That's right, you can create your own brand without having a company, without creating the design yourself, and without creating the items yourself. And no, you don't need to be a genius to do all this. Anyone can do it without being a tech pro, and I'm going to show you how you can have your own customized items with your own designs without making the designs yourself, completely free, without breaking any copyright law. First step is getting the image for our design. We'll have to make sure it has no copyright, so we won't get in any trouble for doing this. For this, we are going to go on pexels.com, where we can find lots of copyright-free images. I'm gonna search for, let's say, cats, and choose a simple design, like this one. After you choose your image, just click on it and download it. The higher resolution, the better. Make sure to be at least a full HD one, so your design won't look low quality. Now that we have our image downloaded in high resolution, all we need to do is removing the unnecessary background. Depending on your preferences, you may keep your picture's background or not. I say it's best to remove it in this case, so your design won't be just a copy-paste one, and it will have a little bit of originality. So the more editing you do to it, the better. The best part is that you don't need any software to remove the background of your images, and no editing skills. Just go and remove .bg and they will do all the work for you. Upload your image on their website and let the website process it, and then just download the no background picture they made for you. And in just a few seconds, you have your image ready to go. Now that we have the design image ready, all we need is making it available for the people to buy it. This is absolutely free. A website will take care of everything for you. You won't have to do the shipping or anything, or even creating a website. They will go through all the production and shipping trouble. You'll get a cut from it every time someone buys your design. Alright, so let's go in redbubble.com and register an account. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Then go to your dashboard and click on add new work, then upload new work, then select your image, then give it a title, some tags like cats, cat images, or whatever your image is about, and a description of it. Then scroll down and choose where your design will be available. You can put it on hats, clothes, pillows, stickers, mugs, and many others. Make sure to edit it to make sure it looks good on the items you choose, and enable them. After you made your design available on all items you want, you can increase your chances to make your items seen by more potential buyers by sharing them with your family, friends, and social media. If you got any value from this, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more ways of making money online. See you next time.